Hi everyone, it's Joni here. Welcome back for another painting tutorial in acrylics. Today I'm working on a 16 by 20 black painted canvas, and I just used lamp black to paint my own. You can use any black you like, and I'm going to be using the following colors for this tutorial. I've got phthalo blue, titanium white, lemon yellow hue, and fluorescent pink. I'll be using a number 5 fan brush and a number 2 flat brush. I'll begin by adding a little bit of white in the center. And I'm going to take my flat brush and just blend that out. Working on a black canvas can really help create a lot of depth in your paintings. It creates dramatic contrast and shadows. The next color I'm going to take is yellow, and I'm going to add that around the white, and I'll do the same thing to start to blend that out. And the next color I'm going to take is fluorescent pink. I'm going to add that in a frame around the canvas. And I'm going to blend that in to where I left off with the yellow and the white. I'm going to add just a little bit of water to my brush. Now, as I'm blending this into the yellow, I'm creating some pretty soft tones of peach and lighter pink. And we still have the black base color for our shadows and depth. So yeah, we're keeping it the brightest in the center. That's going to really draw us in to the middle of the painting where we have that soft light. I'm going to pull my brush straight across down here for where we'll have either some land or some water. I'll add a little bit more pink. Sort of crisscrossing. To get a soft and feathery but loose blend. So it's very loose and somewhat messy looking. Okay, I'm going to apply some phthalo blue to my palette. And some titanium white. And a little bit more of my pink. I'm going to use my fan brush now, and I'm going to pull in to some of the blue, a little bit of white, pull and turn to load, and I'm going to start coming in the side here and tapping over top of some of that pink background. And as I'm doing this, I'm tapping into the wet paint underneath, and so that's going to give us some more colors. We'll be picking up some of that yellow in there, and that alters the shade of blue. It's going to make it a little bit more of a turquoisey shade. So we're getting some bonus colors in there too when you're painting wet and wet. However, if you're going to paint over a dry underpainting, your color results may be a little bit different. I'm going to layer over and start tapping in some brighter highlights with some white. Just keep tapping those out and guide them towards the middle of the canvas to help draw our eye in. Then we're going to tap and dab flat just below the middle mark of the canvas. Find your halfway mark, the very middle of your canvas, and go down a few inches. And we'll add our horizon line. Just tap and dab a little bit of that blue and white. Leave a little opening in there. Then we're going to take a bit of white, pull that into our brush. We haven't rinsed our brush out yet. And we're going to add a little sweep. Add a little bit of water just to thin your paint out if you need to. And let's come from the other side, sweep. Kind of going down on a slope, so down with the corner of the brush and then sweep out. Going to continue adding those light powdery blue taps. Loading my brush the same way. And I'm going to take my brush and just lightly pull for a few, just using the end or corner of the brush for some tree trunks and branches. I'm going to come down here with more blue and pink. I'm going to mix those two together. And I'm going to push and tap. and have that meet where we left off with a paler blue. Now let's take some white, mix that in, pull, turn to load. And this will just give us another lighter shade. And then just pull out a few lines, just gently pull and sweep. And I'm going to pull and sweep off the edge of the canvas a little bit, not to cover up all the color that's underneath, but just to enhance it a little bit and add to it. Okay, let's take some white now. Well, it's kind of mixed in with a little bit of blue, so it may be just a light blue tinted white. And we'll add some highlights. I'm still painting wet on wet. This paint I'm using is my line of paint with Craftmo, and it dries a little slower than your average acrylic paint, which I know is a big plus for many people. I'm going to take that white, mix it up with that light purple color that we have down here. I'm using the full width of the brush. So you want to turn, pull, and load the full width of the brush, and then push and tap, and that's going to give you some nice little bits of grass and little plants, nice texture. Add a little bit of water to your paintbrush, and then a light little sweep and flick of the brush. Also helps to create some grass. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this pretty little landscape using a fan brush and a flat brush. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video.